Hey there, warriors. In this week's tech tip, I'm going to show you the Shortcuts app. It lets you automatically start a series of actions on your iPad with one click. So for example, I could have a shortcut that starts a timer and puts my iPad in focus mode. I could automatically have my iPad split into two screens between two apps. The possibilities are endless, but I'm going to show you two of my favorites right now. But truly, you don't need to know any code at all to do this. For example, my first shortcut I'm going to build is AirDrop. I hate the process of going up here and clicking on AirDrop and switching from AirDrop receiving off to everyone for 10 minutes when I'm ready to get an AirDrop from somebody. That's too many clicks to me. So I can create a shortcut by typing in AirDrop. I'm going to do set AirDrop receiving. The default here is everyone for 10 minutes. If you click on that, you can change that. But for this one, that's really all I need to do. If I come over here to the I button, add a shortcut so it'll look like a little app on my home screen. So if I do that, I can change the color and give it a name. So now when I click on my new little shortcut, set AirDrop to receive, when I click on it, now when I go check out my AirDrop, you'll see it has been turned on for everyone for 10 minutes without having to go through the hassle. Another cool shortcut that I use a lot is for QR codes. I like when I am at a website using Safari, I like to be able to just create a QR code right there from the screen. You can do this with a shortcut and you can add it to what's called the share sheet. And the share sheet is just when you click on that share button, it's what shows up as a choice when you click on the share button. So let me just show you what that looks like. I'm going to click plus sign and I'm going to look up QR code and I'm going to do create QR code. Where it says text, I'm going to change that to the shortcut input. So it's going to pull directly from the website that I'm on. Next, I want to be able to then see the QR code. I could also set this to save it to files or something like that, but I'm just going to do quick look because I want to just immediately be able to see it so I can decide what to do with it. When I click on quick look to add it, it's going to say show the QR code in quick look. Now, up here in the upper left is the name of your shortcut, so you can call it something else. And then finally, I'm going to go up here to the I button. This is where you decide where does this shortcut show up. This one I don't need to add to the home screen. This one I want to show up in the share button share sheet. So now when I go to the website that I want to create a QR code for, when I go up to the share button, I should have that new create QR code shortcut available to me. I'm going to hit the share button. I'm going to tap more. And when I scroll down, these are all of my shortcuts. And you can see create a QR code is here. When I click on it, I have a custom QR code that's going to pop up. If I scan this, it takes me to that website, or I can also go right here and save this image to my photos or to my files. So those are just two ways you could use the Shortcuts app to make customizations for your iPad. I'm looking forward to hearing what cool shortcuts you all come up with. And as always, if you have any ideas for future tech tips, don't hesitate to reach out to Ms. Colby.